Alright guys, now you're on the camera. Welcome to the 12 Apostles Helicopters, guys. My name's Chris, your pilot today. Now guys, we're going on a roughly 15-minute flight up the coast over to what we call London Bridge. Beautiful day up here today, guys. Lovely day for a flight. Alright, so guys, flying over the top of Gog and Magog here on Gibson's Beach. We're going to do a big right hand turn around the outside of the main Apostles viewing platform, and you will see the remaining 7 Apostles here. Guys, all out here on the right hand side. We originally actually only ever had 8. The last one fell down back in 2005, leaving us now with a total of 7. Now you guys on the left are going to get an amazing view of everything when we turn around and come back. On the right hand side here, Apostle number 2, number 1, this large one coming up with the green grass on the top. Next up you'll see some individually named rocks here, the Twin Sisters, Salt and Pepper Shaker, Razorback Ridge. Or coming up here to Mutton Bird Island. This large green island, shaped a lot like a large green seahorse. A famous ship called the Locker, guys, sank here right off the very tip of Mutton Bird Island, still in the water now, 20 metres deep. Shipwreck is one of over 180 ships to sink here in total in the past 150 years. Hence we call this whole region the Shipwreck Coast. On the right hand side, the Baker's Oven, a rock feature with a hole in the middle. Before we come up a little bit further here towards Sentinel Rock. Now this is the largest rock in the National Park, Sentinel. It's not an Apostle. However, it stands at 230 feet tall, which is actually about the equivalent of a 20-storey building. On the right hand side, guys, you'll see into Port Campbell. Beautiful little town, guys, Port Campbell. Established back in 1865. It was originally known as a whaling station fishing village. Home to about 500 permanent residents, but we tend to get upwards of 3,000 people stay in there most nights through the summer months. This stretch of water here, 2 Mile Bay, leads up to a feature at the end known as the Arch. Everything looks a lot smaller from up here than what it really is, guys. Give you an idea of the size of the arch. Those boulders at the base of it are the equivalent of a large SUV. Now we'll come around the tip of Point Hess here, and you'll see London Bridge. You come up on the right hand side here, which used to span an extra 40 metres across to the mainland, guys, before it fell down famously back in 1990.
Whoa.
As we turn around here, guys, you'll get a nice view out your left hand window of London Bridge.
Wow, 太漂亮了。
The beach up behind London Bridge, guys, actually home to a large colony of fairy penguins, along with more penguins down at Apostle number 8, the last one, and Horseshoe Cove up here, which I'll point out in a minute. Coming up on the left here, guys, you'll see into Port Campbell Township. The wonderful bay that we have down there. Great spot for recreational activities. Swimming, fishing, surfing off the points there. Fishing off the local pier, or just relaxing on the beach. Coming up on the left here, guys, you'll see Sentinel Rock, Horseshoe Cove, the round beach there. All sorts of interesting shapes here carved into the limestone rock, guys. Very soft, the limestone, constantly eroding, falling away at about 2 to 5 centimetres per year. All sorts of caves here, hollows, always falling in. Old features collapsing and new ones opening up. Coming back past the Baker's Oven here, you'll see into the Sherbrooke River and beach. And we'll come around Broken Head back up to Mutton Bird Island. which looks a lot like a large green seahorse from the sky, or a question mark. And tucked in here, guys, you'll see two inlets, Thunder Cave and the blowhole. Water actually rushes right up to that blowhole when we have a high sea. We get a big swell. And next up, guys, here we are at the start of the Apostles. So number 1 here, the large one with the green grass on the top, running right through to number 7 at the end of the bay. You'll see a pile of blocks here on the beach. This is the last one, which fell down back in 2005. As we turn in here, guys, you get a fantastic shot of all of the rock features lining up, including Gog and Magog there. Out to the right, you'll see the Great Ocean Walk. So this is the starting point here. At Gibson's Beach, it runs 105 kilometres along the coastline, all the way around to Apollo Bay.
Whoa.
Wonderful, guys. Thank you very much. I hope that you all had an amazing experience. Guys, we'll grab your headsets and your seatbelts and see you all next time. Thank you.